Have you ever wished to leave an indelible mark in a woman's mind? That one question which could spark her interest and make her think about you long after the conversation's ended. Today we are delving deep. We are set to reveal a series of game-changing questions that hold the magical key to captivate her mind. By the end of this video, you will be equipped with a toolbox of conversation starters that leave an unforgettable mark. Intrigued about what these questions might be? Stick around and let's unravel the mystery together. What are your goals and dreams, and how can I help you realize them? Understanding the goals and aspirations of the other person in detail is essential to creating a strong emotional connection and fostering a supportive relationship. This question allows you to access someone's inner world and discover their passions, objectives, and life direction. To show genuine support for their aspirations, be an active listener and cheerleader. Encourage them to share their thoughts and plans openly and ask follow-up questions to gain a deeper understanding. Offer your support and encouragement, but respect their autonomy and individual journey. What are the most significant lessons life has taught you so far? Now, life is a profound teacher, and our experiences shape us into who we are. Asking about the most significant lessons that life has taught someone invites introspection and self-reflection. People grow through adversity, love, loss, and triumph, and the lessons they carry with them hold valuable wisdom. When they share these lessons, they listen attentively and empathetically. These experiences may have been joyful and painful, and acknowledging their journey will deepen your connection. Share your insights and experiences, fostering a reciprocal exchange of wisdom. Where would you go if you could go anywhere worldwide, and why? Travel opens a gateway to adventure, discovery, and cultural enrichment. When you inquire about their dream travel destination, you uncover their curiosity and wanderlust. It also presents an opportunity to understand what experiences or landscapes ignite their souls and why that place captivates their imagination. As they describe their dream destination, be genuinely interested in their reasons and the significance behind their choice. Engage in discussions about that place's culture, history, and attractions. What do you enjoy most about your favorite books, movies, or songs? Asking someone about their favorite books, films, or songs can reveal much about their preferences, interests, and emotional connections. Literature, films, and music frequently hold a special place in people's hearts because they can entertain, inspire, and provide an escape from the real world. By mentioning their favorites, a person reveals a side of themselves influenced by the narratives and melodies that speak to them. Inquiring about their favorite books invites a glimpse into their imagination and intellectual curiosity. Whether they favor non-fiction, modern fiction, or classic literature, their tastes speak to their beliefs and passions. What was the most special experience you've ever had, and why? Inviting someone to recall a significant experience that left a long-lasting impression on them is what you mean when you ask them about their most memorable experience. This question invites them to consider their experiences, personal development, and the incidents that have molded who they are. Memorable experiences can range from personal achievements and adventures to moments of connection with others, or even life-changing epiphanies. As they recount their most memorable experience, give them your full attention and empathy. With an open mind, hear what they will say while appreciating the feelings and details they include. Whether it was an exciting trip, a life-changing experience, or a simple act of kindness, ask questions that go deeper into their feelings and perspectives all the time. What would you change about the world if you could, and why? You can discover much about someone by looking closely at their values, compassion, and aspirations for a better world. This inquiry challenges them to look beyond themselves and considers the greater good. Listen attentively to their response and inquire about the reasons behind their choice. Engage in discussions and potential solutions and actions that can contribute to positive change. This question can also lead to meaningful conversations about social responsibility and the impact individuals can make through collective efforts. What 3 traits do you value most in a friend or a partner? The type of relationships we have and our level of happiness are significantly influenced by the traits we look for in friends and partners. When asked about the top 3 qualities they value, individuals often reveal what they cherish in interpersonal connections. How do you define happiness, and what makes you genuinely happy? Since happiness encompasses so many different feelings and experiences, it is a highly individualized and subjective concept. When asked to define happiness, people frequently describe a sense of contentment, fulfillment, and inner peace. Happiness is a state of being that results from a confluence of happy experiences, meaningful relationships, and a sense of purpose rather than merely a fleeting emotion. Have you been meaning to pick up a new skill or pastime but haven't had the chance? We pursue learning and growth throughout our lives, enriching our lives and broadening our horizons. People frequently exhibit curiosity, enthusiasm, and a desire for self-improvement when discussing a skill or hobby they have long wished for. Inquiring about their unfulfilled aspirations opens a space for shared passions and mutual encouragement. Encourage them to explore their interests and express support for their learning journey. What's your idea of the perfect date or romantic evening? The perfect date or romantic evening is as diverse as the individuals who envision it. For some, it may involve a cozy dinner at a candlelit restaurant where the ambience sets the stage for heartfelt conversations and connections. Others may prefer an adventurous outing, like hiking to a breathtaking viewpoint or exploring a new city hand in hand. Communication is essential to planning the perfect date. Understanding each other's interests and desires helps tailor the experience to create something meaningful and enjoyable for both. Thoughtful deeds, delightful surprises, and meticulous attention to detail can all enhance romance. What are some things that give you a sense of love and appreciation? Being valued and loved is a basic human need that supports emotional health and encourages stable and satisfying relationships. The way individuals feel loved may vary, but common themes resonate across different people. Acts of kindness and thoughtfulness, verbal affirmations, and quality time are among the key elements that make someone feel cherished. Genuine expressions of affection, whether through verbal compliments or love notes, affirm an individual's worth and strengthen the emotional connection. Active listening and being fully present when spending time together communicate that the other person's thoughts and feelings matter. If you could have dinner with anyone, living or dead, who would it be and what would you talk about? Having dinner with anyone, living or deceased, sparks the imagination and reveals an individual's interests, values, and curiosity. The person's choice to dine with often signifies admiration or a desire for intellectual exchange. It might be a world-changing historical figure, an influential artist, a groundbreaking scientist, or even a loved one who has passed away. The hypothetical dinner could include discussions about the other person's life, their stories, motivations, and difficulties they overcame. They might seek wisdom and advice, discussing how the person's experiences can inspire and guide them in their journey. How do you handle challenges and overcome difficult situations in life? Now, life is full of challenges and obstacles that test our resilience and character. How one approaches and overcomes difficult situations reflects their coping mechanisms and mindset. Some people adopt a proactive stance when faced with difficulties, dissecting the issue into smaller, more manageable steps and looking for solutions. One essential quality that enables people to overcome adversity is resilience. Setbacks are a normal part of life. Resilient people see them as chances for personal development. Even in the face of hardship, they keep a positive attitude and focus on their advantages and strengths to get through challenging times. What about you? Are you willing to share something you haven't told many people about? Sharing vulnerable information about oneself with others strengthens emotional bonds and promotes trust. When someone reveals something they haven't shared with many people, it demonstrates comfort and trust in the person they confided in. Perhaps they have a hidden talent or a passion that they have been hesitant to share openly, fearing judgment or rejection. Opening up about these hidden aspects of themselves invites understanding and acceptance from the other person. It allows them to be valued and accepted for who they truly are without worrying about being misunderstood or incorrectly assessed. What function do love and affection serve in your life? What kind of love are you seeking? Love and affection are fundamental human needs that promote our emotional well-being and sense of belonging. Love can play various roles in one's life, from the love shared among family members and friends to the romantic love sought in a partner. Love and affection provide security, comfort, and joy, laying the foundation for meaningful and fulfilling relationships. Love can inspire some people to improve themselves and want to uplift and support others. It gives one a sense of purpose and a connection to something greater than themselves. Love can offer consolation and assurance as a source of strength during trying times. Mastered the art of intriguing questions? Now refine your edge. Discover the masculine habits women find irresistible, or unravel the body language tricks that makes girls chase you. Enjoyed this? Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more.